Hello, my name is Yusuf. I'm the CEO and founder of My Trading Bot. Today what we'll be doing is going through the long-term growth trading bot that we see over here. The price may change in the future, but the name should remain the same. Now, let's go through some basic details of the trading bot. So the market trades in this Forex. Trading strategy is refined statistics and probability calculations. This is a unique algorithm that's coded into the bot by the creator itself. The risk is very low risk, experience needed is beginner, and automation level is fully automated. This is our first release of a totally fully automated trading bot, which means that you can, once we've set it up for you, you do not need to touch it and it will continue trading forever, as long as you have a balance in the account. Minimum recommended investment is £500, but you can invest from as little as £150, and the currencies traded is Euro USD, pound to the dollar, and dollar to CHF. Now, once we've set it up, you can request for your VPS details, and once they're sent to you, you log in, you will see a page like this. Before we get started, let me explain what a VPS is. A VPS is a virtual private server. Basically, it's a computer that runs 24 hours a day so that your robot can trade for 24 hours a day as well. Now, once we've logged in, we can see that it's trading on all three currencies on the 1 hour time frame. This is how the bot is designed to trade. And you can see all the information that the bot gives you. You don't really need to focus on these too much. You won't really see it unless you log into your VPS, but the bot creator has put all the information here, which is very, very useful. So if you did want to edit anything, once you double click on the smiley face on the top right-hand corner of the graph, it will open up a window like this. About is just some information about the bot. Common, you don't really need to play with this. And inputs is the only part that you could customize or edit. The part that I would recommend editing, if you know what you're doing, is the lot size. This is the percentage lot size, and the lot size is the first lot size that I will start with. So at the moment it's 0.04. This will be edited based on your recommendations as a customer. So do you want it to be a safe investment or a safe trading bot so that it only creates safe trades? Or do you want it to be a little bit aggressive? We've added it to be a little bit aggressive. So 0.04 for a £1,000 account, as you can see here. You can email us and request for this to change at any moment in time, or we'll give you the VPS details and you can do it yourself. Other than that, there isn't really much to do with this bot. Once it's set up, you just leave it, make sure there's money always in the account, and just let it do its thing. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact us by heading to our support page. Here you'll find FAQs, and if you want to contact us, click on this button. It will take you to the bottom where you can fill out this contact form. Alternatively, you can email us on the email at the bottom on the footer. And thirdly, you can chat to us live using this chatbot that we have at the bottom. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I've answered all your questions, and happy investing.